My divine soul, do you know yoga is needed today more than ever? In the past, our environment, atmosphere, food habits, lifestyle, etc., were natural to a great extent. But today, our polluted environment and atmosphere, fast food, junk food, food devoid of proteins and vitamins changing our lifestyle, and also it affected our health. So today, while the scientists have provided us with many facilities, their adverse effects have also had a negative impact on our health. So, through this yoga, we can generate the right thinking and provide guidance to the present generation and the generation to come. So, it is very difficult to say that what yoga does. It can be understood only when you after putting it to practice. However, we have tried to explain it in a few words. So when you adopt the path of yoga sadhana, you resolve the problems one by one, like abdominal problems such as indigestion, loss of appetite, constipation, gas, bloating, acidity, all this. By flowing the diet by the flowing of diet mentioned in yoga, one can keep away the fatal disease also, such as blood pressure, diabetes, heart disease, cancer, all this. And the feeling of peace and contentment automatically start prematuring into our lives. So, yoga grants us physical well-being as well as mental peace, which result in freedom from stress. We can enhance our memory by doing yoga nidra and meditation. So yoga brings about a remarkable increase into our walking skill and walking capacity. Yoga makes our circulatory system, digestive system, reproductive system, respiratory system active and functional. It has been provided by scientific experiment that the physical degeneration and instability of mind caused due to advancing age can be cured by practicing yoga day by day. We can drive away negativity and develop immunity through it. And in this way, it is an indisputable fact that yoga is a scientific approach and not merely a type of physical exercise. So while on one hand it's like asanas, satkarma makes our body disease free and well built, enhance our immunity also. On the other hand, like pranayam, meditation, among other things, enhance our concentration, vigors, glow of the body also. Almost the science of yoga is the true guide to lead an ideal life, since knowledge and directly related to life itself, practice, experiment, science is needed in every field. So I can say yoga is the best means of self-development and it purifies both our body and our mind. Har Har Mahadev.